In this video, we will look at the fatty inclusions in the liver cells of the axolotl. The preparation is colored with sodium black and neutral red. Sodium black is lipophilic dye, therefore it dissolves in lipids. Neutral red is used to color the background, the nuclei and various components of the cytoplasm. Fatty inclusions, also known as neutral lipids, belong to trophic inclusions, since they are substrate for energy production in the cell during their decomposition. Here is a low magnification of the axolotl liver section, and already here small black dots on a pink background are discernible. We change the magnification and see that the black dots are getting bigger, and now black circles of different diameters are visible. These circles are fat vacuoles in the cytoplasm of cells. So briefly, on this preparation it is necessary to determine liver cells' hepatocytes are polygonal in shape, their nuclei are oxyphilically colored, and in the cytoplasm there are fat droplets of different sizes colored black.